add a video into your display campaign. This is actually pretty cool. So if you have, let's just say it's a real estate listing and you got photos plus a video, this is where you want to do that. If you have a, if it's a product and maybe you have like a showcase video plus images, again, this is where you want to do that. So we already went through the display campaign on how that works. All you want to do when it comes to videos is click on this plus videos here, and what needs to happen is you need to go grab your URL from YouTube. So I'm just going to say bunch of stuff comes up there for Las Vegas homes, right? So if that's the title of your video, you can obviously use that one. Any of the videos that you have, you literally just select your video right here. It's going to simply bring it right over here, and then that's going to be the video that goes along with your ad. What's cool about this is as people are watching it from your ads, they're also going to get you're also going to get views on your YouTube channel. So yes, you're doing advertising, but it's kind of a double whammy. You're getting views on your YouTube channel on these videos along with the advertising going out. So very simple to add the videos in, but if you just have images, stick with the images. If you also have a video, this is where you add that in here.